Hello everybody, and welcome to Canvas items in MPRUN. Now, let's explain these and explain why they're important. So, they're basically your drawing space. They're a great way to organize where you're going to draw, what you're doing, where it's at, and you can even export specific canvases when you're done with your run, or send them to your phone, whatever you prefer. So, the first thing I want you to do while we're here is select around, drag around. See how you can't move this at all? This is almost like locked, permanent. Well, it's actually not. If we use this Add Canvas tool, which is the A key, click it, you'll notice the name pops up of the canvas, and we see a little move arrow key, or arrow head, and we can actually move and rearrange them. So you can only do that with this tool, and the reason why that is obviously you don't want to interfere with them. Let's say you're trying to drag this and you accidentally drag the canvas with it too. So it's a great way to keep things separated in design. But this canvas is now movable. It's renameable via this panel. It can be changed in size, and it can be also specifically sized with presets and everything. So I'll come here, undo all my operations, and let's create another canvas. So you can either do that by dragging and clicking and dragging, or holding, this is a pro tip, holding the shift key while you click and drag to constrain it like a square size. And you can also come in here, and you'll notice these are being oddly numbered. It's because I've previously made canvases. So if you're confused why it goes canvas 1 to canvas 7, it's just what I'm running on right now. But you can either click and drag like that. I'm gonna set this to MPRUN standard, or you can press the D key to duplicate. And if you also right click, you can see those options: copy, paste, duplicate. I'll copy and I'll paste this one. Okay, and then you can see I have all these canvases. I'm gonna duplicate a couple more. I don't like how they're arranged. I don't want to work in this. I maybe want to work in a grid. So that's why this tool was added, Arrange Canvases. And you'll see your count of canvases. That's the number you have, which we have 6 on this scene. You can apply recommended settings or specify your own to arrange a grid of them, spacing and everything. That's basically just the spacing between. So I'll go with this right now, apply recommended, click OK, and there you go. Now you see it's organized all of our canvases. It's a great tool, but the only problem is it kind of sorts them randomly, so we get a bunch of random names. You got copy, 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 right? So we might want to use tools, scene, rename canvases. Now you can also rename them like I mentioned in the panel over here, but it's not very good when you're trying to work with potentially tens or hundreds of canvases. I mean, obviously not hundreds, but it's hard to individually go and name them all. So that's why we added that tool's the rename canvases one. So it automatically names and number them for you, and at this point you can be done with canvas items. This tutorial is over. We've concluded it. You've learned a lot, great. But if you want to stay for the final part, we're going to talk about template files. Okay, these are completely separate to MPRUN, and these are basically files containing the canvas items so that you can import templates. Since you might want to have someone, let's say some rando on the internet made a canvas assortment that looks like this, okay? Now this might be great if you want to draw a half pipe run or a slopestyle run or whatever. So you can go download this template file, which I will save this as a template right now. Let's see here. We'll just use my downloads folder, my template, and it will save as an MPT file, template files, MPRUN template file. And let's go ahead and create file new. We'll discard the changes, and I have basic file. This is the brand new one. Let's just say I'm in a random one. I'm gonna go here to open template, click my template, and it will automatically open what that file we downloaded or created. So it's a great way to automatically have canvases available for you, right? If you want to create a template and just use it every time you make a run, great tool for that. So that concludes our tutorial. Thank you.